In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the correlation coefficient using Excel. Whether you're working on a school project, analyzing business data, or exploring insights for your own understanding, knowing how to calculate the correlation coefficient can be incredibly valuable. It's a powerful tool that allows you to understand the relationship between two variables and can guide data-driven decision-making. To begin, open your Excel worksheet with the datasets ready that you want to analyze. This is important because you'll need these datasets accessible before you start. Head over to the cell where you wish to display the result of your correlation coefficient. It might be helpful to choose a cell that is conveniently located, perhaps to the right of your datasets, to keep everything visually organized and easy to cross-reference later on. Now it's time to type in your formula. You'll start by typing an equal sign. In Excel, typing an equal sign indicates that you're about to enter a formula, which is how Excel knows to perform a function. Follow that with the word Correl, which is short for correlation. This is the specific function that Excel uses to calculate the correlation coefficient. After you type Correl, open a parenthesis to enclose the datasets you'll reference. You'll need to select your first set of data. Simply click and drag your mouse across the cells that contain the first variable's data points. Once you've highlighted this dataset, type a comma to separate it from the second set of data you'll be using. Now proceed to highlight the second set of data. Just like before, click and drag across the relevant cells to select them. With both datasets highlighted and separated by a comma, the next step is to close the parenthesis. Closing the parenthesis tells Excel that you've finished inputting the necessary data for the function. This syntax ensures the software knows exactly what variables it's working with and how to compute the desired calculation. Now you'll press the Enter key. This is a simple but crucial step to complete the process. Excel will then perform the calculation instantly and display the correlation coefficient in the cell you initially selected. The number you receive represents R, the result of your correlation formula, which describes the strength and direction of the linear relationship between your two datasets. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated the correlation coefficient in Excel. With this understanding, you can better interpret the relationship between your variables and make more informed decisions based on data trends. Thank you for joining me today. Happy calculating.